Ever posted something personal, then lost in horror as friends or strangers start sharing it everywhere? In this video, I'll show you the closest thing Facebook allows to stop or heavily limit people from sharing your post. Let's make it quick and easy. Well, Facebook does not let you completely remove the share button on normal personal posts anymore, but you can make sharing basically useless by controlling who can actually see the post when it's shared. Here is how. Step 1. Before you post anything, tap the little audience selector. Usually says friends or the globe icon right above or down below where you type your post. Step 2. Choose friends, which is safest everyday option, or even only me if it's super private. When your post is set to friends, anyone who tries to share it can only share it with their friends who are also your friends, or nobody sees it. No random people, no public spreading, no going viral outside your circle. There you go. No more unwanted shares spreading your stuff. If this saved your sanity, drop a like and subscribe for more Facebook privacy and hacks.